Good afternoon, welcome to 200forexpips.com. It's 31st of December 2016. And guys, as you know that the market is closed because it's Saturday, so I have find some time for my subscribers who do not have understanding about our signals. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the signals that I provide on a daily basis so that you people can also come to know that what is the power of the signals. So that's the report that I have sent yesterday. That's the 30th of December report. Okay, guys, so first of all, look here. On Euro USD, I was bearish yesterday, and now I'm going to take you to the Euro USD chart here. Now, guys, you can clearly see at the end of the day, the market is clearly down. And what I have mentioned in my report is very clear that I was bearish on Euro USD. And guys, one more important thing is that maybe you have worked with different signal providers in the past, and you know there are a lot of groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, and there are a lot of signal providers. But I don't really care about them because my signals are entirely different from all those who are providing in the market. So where the difference where the difference comes, so it's very simple. They give you the difference of like when they give you some signals, then they give you signal profit like at 20 pips, 25 pips, 15 pips. So guys, this is not the scenario here. I just send my signals one time a day, and I send my signals early in the morning before the London session. Okay, it means that you are going to predict the market for the complete day because my signals are based on full day trading, and these are not dependent on 15 pips, 20 pips like this. When I talk about the Euro USD downfall, if I'm bearish, then I'm looking for a whole day trend. Now look, the market when the look after 29th of December, as the market started, and you can see the early in the morning, and after that I have predicted that today the one direction could be the bearish one, and that what I write in my report with the certain levels, and my gap between the two levels is always high so that my subscribers can take a maximum benefit by selling the pair. Okay, now this was the first one that I have told you. Now guys, I provide 8 signals a day. It means that you have a chance on 8 pairs, and the space between the levels is quite high, it which clearly means if you are using a very good account size, then definitely you can fill your account with massive profits by only trading one pair. Okay, now look at this one, New Zealand USD. As I can see in my report that it's bearish, so you can clearly see that I have provided the two levels, and now I'm going to take you on the New Zealand USD chart. Now it will be very clear to you. Look at here, from here to here. At the end of the day, we waited for a bearish move, and you can clearly see the market is very good down. So that's what I talk. That's what I talk. Even if you take my signals, I had a previous prediction about New Zealand USD on 29th. It was also bearish. So guys, if you have placed the trade from here and you have closed it here, now you can clearly see there is a massive profit, and nobody gives such signals on a daily basis. Look, I have clearly mentioned in my report that I am bearish on New Zealand USD, and these were the levels, and guys, the guys have traded my levels and they are into profit because you can clearly see a massive downfall on New Zealand USD yesterday, and this is called full day trading. When you are looking your eyes at a full day trading, then it means that this is the main advantage, and this is the power of the signals. Okay, the next signal that I supplied yesterday for Great Britain Pound USD, I was also bearish on Great Britain Pound USD. Now guys, at certain levels I'm bearish, and now you can see when we have closed our day, from here the market started, it moved up, and then it was back, and we were looking for some bearish opportunities right from here, and we are done with my profit. It means that out of 3 signals we have a success of 3 by 3 till now. Okay, the next one, USD JPY, as it was my bullish prediction. Now I'm going to take you to the chart here. Okay, look here, that was the bullish prediction, and guys, on 30th you can clearly see the market has made a clear bullish pattern, and I have mentioned bullish trend in my report, and you can clearly see here. So 4 by 4 signals. Okay, Australian dollar USD, sorry, I have mentioned a bearish trend, and now I'm going to take you to the chart here. Okay guys, now compare the data after a full day trading, and also I was bearish yesterday too. So the subscribers who are subscribed to my signal service from last 2 days, they know that I'm just speaking about the bearish trend on Australian dollar USD, and again it happened. You can clearly see Australian dollar USD is again down, and we had a chance to again get a profit on Australian dollar USD. Okay, the next one is USD CHF. It was a bullish prediction. Now I'm going to take you on the chart so that you can understand. Okay, so guys, clearly see it has made a bullish pattern on 30th of December 2016. So again, it means that we have a 6 by 6 result. USD Canadian dollar, I was bullish and that's what I have supplied in my report. And guys, you can clearly see here it also went bullish as predicted, because this was also based on a full day trading. Okay, the next one is Great Britain Pound JPY, which is the last pair of my daily trading. And guys, we were expecting some bearish momentum right from these levels, and it's down, but you can see that this signal has expired. This signal has hit like 60 to 70%, because I was expecting a more bearish trend, but it has moved a bit. So guys, you can clearly see that almost we have like 99% success. Sometimes we also get 100% success on our signals. So this is the difference between the other signal providers and the 200 ForexFix, which is providing you, because they talk about the full day trading. Now look at here. One more thing, look at here, there is always a trend for a pair on a daily basis. Look at here, New Zealand USD was making a complete bullish pattern from many days, but we were taking our subscribers for the bullish moves, and we have helped our subscribers in catching the bearish trades. And now look here, that I was telling you that we have supplied a bearish signal on New Zealand USD, and because it was short. Now look, we have a completely bullish pattern earlier, but after that at the end of the day it's down, and that this is what we called. It means that my eyes were on the bearish trend on that time when I have supplied my signals in the morning. I was really not expecting any bullish momentum. Okay, so now you can ask a question that you were asking that your expectations were bearish for the day, then why it has made a bullish pattern for some candles. So guys, the answer is very simple. If I'm giving a bearish signal, then it is sure that I must be giving somewhere at the top. I am not going to tell you to sell the pair here, and when it went up in the hour zone, then you need to sell the pair according to the levels that we have already drawn in the signal service. So guys, this was the clear pattern that I have that I have shown you. And now look at the trades that I have taken yesterday. You can see Great Britain Pound JPY has a downfall, $2,118 on the trade. New Zealand USD has a downfall, $528 on the trade. Great Britain Pound USD sell position. So now look, these positions are taken according to the day trend, and I will tell you the second thing, that how you can also take these positions. Great Britain Pound USD sell, and it's down. Okay, Australian dollar USD, it was a buy earlier in the morning. So first of all, that was a taken like this. It was a scalping technique, because the hourly candle was closed above the dotted blue line. I have taken a buy position and collected my profit, but I did not take any sell position on Australian dollar USD, because you know that I'm not working for a complete day, so sometimes I'm off from the market. Okay, USD Canadian dollar, look guys, I have sold this pair. Okay, so when I sold this pair, I will tell you that how I sold this pair. I catch this bearish rally. So this trade was taken according to the trading system, because the market entered into the red zone and then it went down. Okay, $911 on USD JPY here. Now you can see it was a sell position. Okay, first of all, I profited a buy position early in the morning, and then I profited from sell position. Look, first of all, it has made a bullish rally on 30th. The market went up, and after that, it was making a bearish pattern. So this was according to the trading system, because I got a sell signal right from the trading system, and I have caught a bearish rally. But this is something else and my signal service is something else. So sometimes when I catch a trade according to the trading system, then I catch from here, and sometimes I also trade my own signals. I just mix these two things for my trading. So now you can see that USD JPY, I had a buy signal, and my traders have made a bullish trade, and they went successful yesterday. And I also have taken a trade in a bullish way, but I also have a trade on sell position, because this was directed by my by the trading system, that you need to sell that pair from a certain level, and it was down for a temporary some temporary period, and I have get a benefit from selling this pair. So guys, this is how I trade. I go with the combination of signal service, and I also go with the combination of this trading system. Both are very powerful. I'm just going to explain you here. Look here. According to this trading system, when the market comes up in the upper right boundary, then it means you need to sell the pair. Look, it's down. Okay, when it comes up in the lower boundary, red boundary, then you need to buy the pair. It's up. And yesterday that I have taken trade on sell, it was taken because arrow appeared in the red boundary, and the market was just going back after touching the red boundary, so I get a benefit. And again, guys, look, it made a bullish pattern, and the monitor has helped you because it turns its color into green, and it was a very good chance to make a profit on it. Okay, New Zealand USD, guys, look what happened. First of all, the market went up in the red zone, it was down. Okay, again it went up in the red zone, look, it's down. And third time, yesterday I also made a profit on sell position, again went into the red zone, and the star appeared, and the market is down, monitor was red. Okay, when it comes up in the lower red boundary, then it means you need to buy the pair. Look, it will up. So it's your choice that you want to subscribe for my signals or you want to get this trading system, because both has outstanding results. And one scalping technique that I use on a daily basis is that, look at here, when the hourly candle closes above the dotted blue line, you need to buy the pair. When it closes below like this, below the dotted blue line like this, then you need to sell the pair, and look, the market is way down. So guys, both are giving outstanding results. And now I have also clearly mentioned you about the signals report that I supply on a daily basis. You will also get a video here in my signals report which will tell you that how to trade my signals in a right way, and there is no other method to trade a very good way like this. Okay, also I receive some of the inquiries on a daily basis, and people ask that how is it possible that you can get this much number of success. So guys, the answer is very simple. I go with the complete understanding of the day trend. If I am talking about that I'm bearish on Euro USD, then it means that I am going to find a bearish trade. And guys, I have a 90% accuracy in finding out the right trend of the day, and that's why this is called the power of my signals, and that is why I am getting a very handsome success, and I have a very satisfied subscribers. And I show my results with proofs that how I have taken a trade, and when I followed my trading system, then how the trade was placed, and when I follow my signals, then how I place my trades. So guys, this is a mixed culture here. I trade my own signals also, and I trade according to this trading system, because both are giving outstanding results, and you can also become a part of this trading system and signal service. If you want to get this signal service and if you want to get this trading system, then please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my work with others. Thank you.